Ayun, magandang hapon mga ka-person. Back to live po ulit ang inyong tendera. Ayun, shoutout po yung mga naghahanap po last time ng Honda CR-V. Eto, ready to go na po siya. Kung ma-approvean ka ngayon, bukas marirelease mo na siya. Ayun. 2023 Honda CR-V, automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya is 4, version po niya is Sport all-wheel drive. Odometer po niya is 65,288 km, 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay. 147 tax included. Ayun. 147 tax included. Ang angas niya. Red color. Diba? Pang Valentine's. Charot. And then, naka-semi-tinted na rin po yung kanyang salamin. And then, of course, naka-summer, winter tire na rin po siya. Ayun. Sports model. Honda CR-V. Ayun. Sunroof, check. 5-seater seat, check. And then, maluwang yung kanyang trunk dito sa likod o yung kanyang compartment. And then, spare tire, accessories. Ayan. Ayan. Honda CR-V. And then, check natin yung kanyang interior dito sa likod. Ayan. Pang 5 person. Ayan. And then, of course, naka-winter matting na rin po siya. Plus sunroof. And then, interior po niya in front is ganito po. Ayan. Start natin saglit kasi andito sa loob. So, yung adjustan po ng kanyang upuan is dito po siya. Yun. Pwede mo siyang move forward, back forward, up and down. So, ito po yung kanyang susi. Ito. 2023 Honda CR-V. And then, sa mismong susi po niya is meron na rin po siyang remote starter. Then, press button start. Ayun. Ayan siya. And then, reverse camera. Yun, clear na clear po yung kanyang reverse camera. Same time, parking brake po niya is dipindot po siya. And then, heated seat po niya is dito, magkabilaan. Ayun, check. Off natin yung kanyang fan. Then, touchscreen din po to. Enter. Push and hold. Enter. Ayan. Touchscreen din po siya. And then, menu. Naka-French. Naka-French. Yan. English natin. Okay. Diba? So, media. Ayan siya. Ayan. And then, hot steering wheel. Ito, magagamit nyo po to ngayong winter. Ayan. Ayan. And then, cross control, distance. And then, yung kilometer po niya yun. 65,427 kilometer. Then, sunroof din po siya. Pull and push lang po yung kanyang cover. Ayan. Then, na-open din po yan. Ayan. 5-seater seat. Lagayan ng drinks compartment. Then, yung kanyang manual. Ayan. Ulitin ko lang ulit yung reverse camera niya. Ayan. Reverse camera is cleared na cleared. Ayan. So, ulitin ko lang po, 2023 Honda CR-V, automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya is 4, version po niya is Sport all-wheel drive, odometer niya is yun. 65,427 km, 96 months to pay, or 8 years to pay, 147 tax included. First change oil po niya is free, unang salpak din po ng kanyang summer is libre, yun. So, yung kilometer po niya is nandito, nakasulat po siya rito, yung next change oil po niya. Yan, free po siya. And then, naka-warranty din po yung sa engine and transmission, towing electrical, then yung dashboard ng sasakyan niya. Diba? Red color. Ito. Once again, 2023 Honda CR-V, 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay, 147 tax included. Naka-warranty din po ito sa mismong Honda ng kasa. Ayun, pa-PM na lang po ako kung sinong may gusto nito and then we'll process. Thank you!